paintwork. Send off the rust. No holes, just surface rust. Cleaned it all up. Cleaned off the battery tray. Give it a nice little paint. Ready for the headlights to go back in. Cleaned up that part as well. A little bit of surface rust down here, but that's all been cleaned up. Painted down the bottom of the lamps as well, and underneath. Have a look. Paint under there. Should have painted that radiator shroud too. Would have looked a bit better. As always, next time. Just got to get that driver's side fender off, clean up some rust down there, and then put it back together. There's the bumper over here, not looking too well. Definitely got that ratty look, patina look that I like. There's my new grille. Actually, I might put it on, give you a look what it looks like. Here's my new grille. Actually, I might put it on, show the viewers what it looks like. Just fitted the grille for a quick look. Looks nice and neat. Brand spanking, of course. Of course, the bumper has to be back on before it'll look better, because it actually fits into the bumper. Over there, I've got the two new headlights waiting to go back in, and the old crappy ones there. I think they're due to go in the bin. 3 new ones there. Look good.